Ashley Tison here at Whale Branch Creek Waterfront Cottage Community. We originally purchased this place with our fund and it was all kinds of overgrown. You couldn't even see the water from back on the back part of the property. We've cleaned it up, we've put in the roads, we've put in the infrastructure, we've put in these amazing fire pits, and we've put in some amenities for folks to be able to enjoy this unbelievably spectacular waterfront view. We've got two cottages on site right now. One's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, and one is a 1-bedroom, 1-bath. We're currently renting those out on a midterm rental basis, and ultimately we're going to have some RV spots as well for high-end recreational vehicles. If you're interested in either getting a second home, or if you've got a qualified opportunity fund and you want to have a midterm rental in the low country, outside of Beaufort, South Carolina, let us know because we'd love to have you as part of our community. These are actually 14 condominium lots, and that allows us to get really flexible about how we can either rent those out or even potentially sell them, and then get the homeowners association up and running and give people a voice relative to being a part of this community. The really awesome thing is that this place is permitted with a pier that you can see that this water and this deep water that's out here, you could bring dang near any kind of boat and get out to the ocean in about 10 minutes right from here. And we are permitted to have 120 feet of dockage, so it could accommodate a boat for every condominium slot here. We're really excited about this place. We'd love to have you join us on this Opportunity Zone journey. If you want to learn more about any of those things, click the link below, reach out to us at ozpros.com. We've got a phone number on there, or you can fill out the contact form, and we'd love to have a conversation with you about you joining us in our Opportunity Zone journey here on the water in Beaufort, South Carolina.